Nightmare or daydream? Which one is it? Have you ever dreamed of owning a house in Italy for less than the price of an espresso? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real. Italy's €1 house program is offering abandoned homes for just €1. Let's break down how it works, what's the catch, and whether this could be your shot at La Dolce Vita. Why is Italy selling houses for €1? Small towns across Italy are struggling with population decline as younger generations move to bigger cities. To combat this, local governments are offering these homes at a symbolic price to attract new residents and investors. The idea is simple: bring in fresh energy, revitalize empty neighborhoods, and boost the local economy. So what's the catch? Okay, let's be real. These aren't move-in-ready mansions. Most of these homes have been abandoned for decades, often without modern utilities. We're talking missing roofs, crumbling walls, no plumbing, outdated electrical systems, the works. Buyers must commit to restoring the property, often within 1 to 3 years, and the renovations can cost anywhere from €20,000 to €50,000, or even more if the house is in terrible shape. And here's something many people don't realize: the purchase contract often comes with penalties. Some towns impose fines if you fail to complete renovations on time, or if you don't actually live there afterward. So, while it sounds like a dream deal, the reality can be much more complicated. Who can buy a €1 house? The program is open to anyone over 18, including international buyers. However, there are a few key conditions. Buyers must submit a renovation plan within 6 to 12 months of purchase. A security deposit, usually €1,000 to €5,000, is required, which is refunded after renovations are completed. Taxes, legal fees, and transfer costs must be covered by the buyer. Renovations must be completed within 1 to 3 years, depending on local rules. Each town sets its own conditions, so it's crucial to check the requirements before applying. Where can you find these €1 houses? Many towns across Italy, especially in southern regions like Sicily, Sardinia, and Calabria, are participating in this program. Notable locations include Troina, which even offers renovation grants, Ripa Candida, and Sambuca di Sicilia, which sold over a dozen homes under this scheme. There's no official centralized platform, but websites like Cassia1euro.it list available properties. There's a Dutch reality show that follows €1 house buyers. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to see what this process actually looks like, there's a Dutch reality TV show about it. It's called The Italian Village, Ololai, and it follows contestants as they pitch business ideas to a village council on things like opening a B&B or a yoga studio before tackling their home renovations. And let's just say it wasn't always smooth sailing. Many of these homes had been abandoned for over 30 years, meaning they needed everything from new roofs to complete plumbing and electrical overhauls. And even after all that work, some people found their properties weren't worth much because the villages were nearly deserted. For some, it was a nightmare as renovation costs ballooned, local life was isolating, and their renovated homes remained stuck in ghost towns. But is it all so negative? There have been some success stories as well. Even celebrities have jumped on board. British talk show host Alan Carr and The Sopranos actress Lorraine Bracco have both bought €1 houses, bringing more attention to the initiative. But as the reality show demonstrated, not every story is smooth sailing. Some buyers found that restoration costs exceeded expectations, and certain towns may have additional rules like requiring owners to open a business or live in the house for part of the year. Final thoughts. This program is about more than just buying a cheap home. It's about investing in a new lifestyle, immersing in Italian culture, and becoming part of a community. If you're ready for an adventure and prepared for the costs, a €1 house in Italy might just be your ticket to La Dolce Vita. So, what do you think? Would you take on the challenge of restoring an Italian home? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more international real estate insights. Arrivederci.